Now that we have your Strengths Quest results, we want you to post your results on D2L. We are going to show you where we want you to post them, which is going to be in your e-portfolio. So to get to your e-portfolio, you're going to go to your home on D2L. You'll see under progress, under Brightspace, there's an e-portfolio. I want you to click that. You're going to click My Items, and this is where we want you to add your assessments. So I'm going to go over to my results, and once again you can get this by going to strengthsquest.com, and you can log in after. You should have your login, and here are my top strengths. Now my reports. Okay. Now my reports, I went ahead and downloaded this. It's going to tell me about the themes and their descriptions, okay? So, going to look at what those descriptions are. Alright, and so after I have all of these, I want you to read them and give me a short description of what those are in your e-portfolio. Okay, so I'm going to add a reflection. And you can name this my top 5 strengths. Alright? You put in your top 5 strengths and just a small snippet of what that is. You're going to save and close. So, you'll do the same thing for going back to the Strengths Finders, your action items. Now we want to know for each of your strengths what you can do while you're here at college to best utilize this strength. So you're going to hit View, and then it will go through each of your strengths and how you can best put this into use. So for example, one of mine is Woo, and it says I should study in places where there are other students around, because Woo is winning others over. So I'm a very people person. So you will go through and pick out which one of these best fits you. I want you to have 2 or 3 ideas of how you can put it into action. You're going to add another one. Add a reflection. Top 5 strengths action plan. And as soon as you have gone through all of yours and decided which ones you're going to put into action, you will put them over here. I only did 3, but you need to do all 5 of yours. Save and close. Alright, so this is just your personal portfolio. For us to be able to see it, you need to go to the action plan and hit this arrow, and you need to share it. You need to add a user. You need to share it to Marcos Gilmore. Right here, M. Gilmore, share. Alright, now he can see it and grade it and know that you have done it. Same thing with this one. You need to share this action plan. Okay, so they both have been shared with Marcos. Great. So, and I want to just go back really quick to the main course, because there's one other thing that you need to post in the portfolio. So I'm going to go back to the content page. So here's the strengths, alright, and that is the grit assessment. If you click on this grit assessment, you'll be able to take what the grit assessment is, and you will get a score, okay? So as soon as you get this score, you will do the same thing. You will go to ePortfolio, you will add an item, and then you will share it. So let's say my items, add reflection, grit score. Let's say it was 3.8, and then you need to write something about that based upon your result. Save and close, and then again you want to share it with Marcos Gilmore. Alright, so this ePortfolio is an important part because we want you to learn how to use it so that in the future you can learn how to use this for other classes. Alright, that is all for this. So you're posting 3 things in the ePortfolio. That is the grit score, your 5 strengths with a definition, and your top 5 strengths with your action plan. That is all.